This is the Everyday Tarot in a mini size, a Rider-Waite influenced 78 card deck by Bridget Esselmont, founder of the popular tarot learning site Biddy Tarot. The deck follows the classic tarot structure with major and minor arcana, but what really makes it stand out isn't just the cards themselves, it's the aesthetic and approachability that have helped make this one of the most talked about modern decks among beginners and seasoned readers alike. The imagery is minimalistic and modern, using a palette of royal purple, rich gold, and white that feels both elegant and calming. The illustrations simplify traditional Rider-Waite symbolism into clean, graphic silhouettes and shapes that still communicate meaning clearly, but without the visual noise of more detailed decks. Because the visuals are pared back, your eye is drawn straight to the core figure or symbol on each card, making intuitive reading faster and easier, especially for daily pulls or journaling. The guidebook, likewise, is also concise. This is the type of deck that makes for a great one-card draw. I keep mine at the office, believe it or not, in a bag with the guidebook, because the box that it came in was more of a package than a box. Not useful, but it gave me the opportunity to use a velvet bag I'd been saving. The purple and colored gold scheme isn't just stylish, it gives the whole deck like a luxurious, regal vibe that feels modern but timeless, which helps it appeal to people who love tarot aesthetics as much as tarot meanings. My mini deck is about the size of playing cards. It's easy to shuffle and handle, with subtle gold edging that catches the light and makes the cards feel special. The cardstock is thicker, in my opinion, making them very durable. When I first got this deck, I couldn't get what all the fuss was about, but after using it, I get it. In addition to the popularity of Biddy Tarot playing a role, I think it's great because of how accessible it feels and how modern and minimalistic it looks. The cards feel like a friendly daily tool rather than an overly mystical object. Apparently, many people pick this as their first deck, carry it with them, or use it alongside larger decks for quick readings. Makes sense. Yeah, this deck is a great choice. Recommend.